Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to stop your followers from seeing the spaces you're listening to on the X app. This is a great way to keep your listening activity private and maintain more control over your profile. So let's start to begin. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Support from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Next, find and tap on Spaces. Finally, look for the option that says Let followers see which spaces you're listening to, and turn it off. That's it. You've now hidden your Spaces listening activity from your followers. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy tips. Thanks for watching.